Guys, what is the first thing which comes to your mind when you see a random guy walking around?
It should be hot.
Okay.
It should be hot.
Anything else?
Hot and long hair.
Okay.
Abs.
I'm going to know.
Wearing anything funky looking dress or something.
Okay. Cool.
The hairstyle and the clothes.
Okay. Hairstyle like
If it's in, the
Justin
new
Bieber.
ones. No, not that. I would stop looking at him then.
His physique, yeah, definitely.
Okay. So
But his eyes, the more. Nothing actually. We don't judge people.
The way he carries his personality.
okay.
First question would be like
So
how that person maintains the.
Okay.
You know,
Cool. But how would you bother about the personality of a person like who's
what
somebody who is like
attracts you the most in a girl is what attracts girl in the guy.
Eye contact is generally positive because you can see that the person is confident and like it's positive basically. Eye
Okay.
contact, so it exudes confidence. Whereas checking you out from top to bottom, it's not bad. I mean, yeah, girls do that as well. But
Yeah.
but the thing is, sometimes it can get a bit creepy, and you might end up making the girl uncomfortable.
like behavior, introvert, extrovert.
I feel like a guy should be funny.
Yeah,
I
sense
think-
of humor should be good then.
Yeah.
It's like everything.
Okay. So you should have beard or no beard.
No beard, no beard, no beard.
Why? So like guys look so sexy in beard.
Yeah, but
you
not
know?
all guys look
All guys,
beautiful.
like maximum guys don't look good in beard. They just
Yeah.
think they look good, but
Yeah, but that's not really good.
In the terms of appearance,
biceps,
biceps, cool, nice,
Chest.
chest, cool. So here's the message for guys. How do girls check out guys? Like because we guys never come to know like she's checking us out.
Well, we're just better at hiding it.
Cool.
We check out guys the same way, like this.
What would you expect from a guy who's on his first date with you? So your
Nature में
expectations.
अच्छा होना चाहिए, like a well-mannered guy,
Yeah.
and he should not feel bad to bend in front of a girl.
Okay.
I mean, वो जो boys ego होता है,
Yeah,
वो
male
अगर
ego,
दिखाया
male
तो-
ego.
Yeah, male
Yeah,
ego,
yeah.
exactly. That won't attract any girl.
Okay. Cool.
So that and good manners
Superb.
should pull the chair and like make us sit and
Should
I
make.
think surprises, girls love surprises. See, for me, I love Justin Bieber. So if the guy is somewhat like, if he behaves like Justin,
Okay.
I don't know, he just like.
So if he sings a song of Justin Bieber.
Song is no. Singing a song for someone is like no. It's just so cliche.
mainstream,
Yeah.
it's
So,
very
so that's so not cool. Okay.
If I go on a date someday, maybe he should be sweet and
Okay.
he should get a gift for me.
Hairstyle long or funky?
Short and fun. Short.
Short and funky. Superb.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Like CR7.
Yeah. Any more suggestions?
Why are you copying me, man?
Romantic or hardcore?
Romantic or?
Hardcore.
Are there people in between?
So what would you prefer in the guy? Having an eye contact with you, or he's just checking you out throughout?
Eye contact. Eye contact.
Okay. Cool. Honesty or show off?
Honesty.
Okay. Cute or sexo?
Cute.
Skin color, dark or fair?
Fair. I don't care.
Okay. What would turn a girl on? Like,
Intelligence.
sorry?
Intelligence.
Intense.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Intelligence and I think what's really hot in a guy is when he is, I mean, don't get the wrong way, but when he is in touch with his feminine side. You get what I mean? I mean, a guy does not always have to be all buff
Muscular and
yeah,
too
I mean,
much.
he might look that way, but then it's good to be in touch with your, with compassion and whatever things are expected out of women generally.
Yeah.
So it's good to see a balance. I think that's really hot.
Turn me on. I think it's ass.
Superb.
Ass.
How about you?
Ass and abs.
Superb. High five, girls.
I think physical attributes I do not pay much attention.
Okay.
I think it's the charm.
The charm of the guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
With the charm, if he's taking care of the small things that girls like.
One message to guys who are two-timing girls.
You have no right to live.
Cool.
Karma is a bitch. It will happen to you too. One day you
When you fall in love
Very
with
true.
a girl and she'll do the same thing to you, that's when your ass will get hit.
What is your message to guys who are two-timing girls?
Fuck off, fuck off, fuck you.
Superb. Hello guys, this is Shashank here. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram in the links below. And you're gonna go down there and you're gonna click that red button subscribe. Believe me guys, it really means a lot. See you next time. Shoo.